Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is all about eggplants. These baby eggplants are gonna taste so good, Turkish style. Let me show you how I make them and let's get started. Now that's a great bite. I hope you agree with me, nothing beats a home-cooked meal, and this eggplant recipe is amazing. We're gonna start with the filling. For the filling, we're gonna do some serious chopping. We're gonna start with large onion, chop it finely, and then you're gonna smash 3 cloves of garlic, chop them finely as well. Peel 2 tomatoes and chop finely. 1 red bell pepper. And these are some spicy peppers. I'm not gonna do too much. 3 are enough to make it a little spicy. And lastly, a bunch of parsley, and we're ready to work on the filling. Gonna preheat the pan a little bit, add some vegetable oil, and then add the onions and garlic. Let them sweat a little bit. After a minute or 2, you're gonna add 1 pound of ground sirloin. You're gonna season with salt, black pepper, allspice, and some cinnamon. 1 teaspoon each, and you're gonna taste at the end to make sure the filling is seasoned well. Add about 3 tablespoons of a good tomato paste. Mix it in with the meat for a minute, and then you're gonna add the tomatoes, the peppers, and the spicy peppers, and you're gonna mix. Add half cup of water or chicken stock and let it simmer for 15 minutes on low heat. Add a touch more cinnamon and finish with some parsley. Set aside to cool a little bit, and now I'm gonna work on the eggplants. I'm gonna peel them this way, remove the extra tip with a knife. Finish the whole amount and then peel them this way. This way they won't absorb much oil when I fry them or roast them. I'm gonna fry the eggplants on all sides, and it's gonna take a while. And you can choose to brush them with vegetable oil and roast them in the oven. But this way they're not gonna absorb much oil. You're gonna see I'm gonna end up with the same amount of oil that I started with. Keep on rotating on all sides until they're ready and they look something like this. Make sure to drain on top of a paper towel. Drain the excess liquid from the meat and add some pine nuts. I fried my pine nuts and I'm gonna add them to the meat. Save some for my rice. And I'll add a link to the rice recipe in the description box below. And I'm gonna use a melon scooper to scoop some of the seeds out. Just 1 scoop. And I'm gonna stuff it with lots of meat. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are going to be in the description box as well. I love eggplants and I love to cook them. Let me know in the comments box below if you like to see any more recipes on eggplants. I always love to hear from you. We're gonna let these cook and simmer in a tomatoey sauce for about 40 minutes on low heat. I'm gonna start with the sauce that I drained earlier. I'm gonna add it to a shallow pan. Add some tomato paste, mix it in with the sauce. Add 1 to 1.5 cups of hot boiling water. Salt the sauce to taste, and then you're gonna add the eggplants and let it simmer covered for 40 minutes. Forty minutes later, you're gonna get the most amazing, flavorful, melt in your mouth eggplants that you're gonna serve alongside some rice with vermicelli. If you love eggplants, you're gonna love this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and until next time, bon appetit!